गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भवताप प्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्ते ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिन्ने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः। जय मां, जय मां, जय मां everybody, जय मां, जय मां। You know, I keep getting questions, little questions, you know. So as long as I go on getting questions, I will continue this episode, this serial, which is my journey. And once the questions stop, then I will go further and I'll think about it. My cooking channel is already going on, and that will go on for some time. I hope you people are enjoying, I don't know. And I am just hoping that more subscribers come in, because the whole idea is to make people aware of Ma Anandamayi. You know, lots of people are aware, but you know, the more the merrier. And if it could happen to me, it can happen to anybody, you know. So that's the whole idea. Now the question is, someone has asked me, what is my mission, vision and service plus my aspirations? It's a tall question, and let me tell you that I have no mission. Okay, I just started because people requested that why don't you talk about your journey and all that, which is all mentioned in my book, In Love with the Divine Mother, Shri Shri Ma Anandamayi. I did it just for the sheer love of Ma, nothing else. So I have never thought of it as a mission. Unless Ma authorizes somebody, there is no mission. And Ma, like you know, never wanted any publicity. But we, being Ma's children, we want to talk about Ma, that somebody like this walked on our planet, you know, and one should be aware of that, you know, because people are constantly hunting, searching for a path, you know, for something or the other. And if they get aware of this, it's a beautiful thing, because it's not like Ma is not here today. She is here. Okay? You have to just reach out. So mission अगर आप बोलेंगे तो मेरा कोई मिशन नहीं है. मैंने मिशन सोच के ही कुछ नहीं किया है. और मैंने हमेशा देखा है जिंदगी में that when I have planned to do something, it is never materialized. Something totally different materializes, which makes me realize that nothing is in our hands. You know, जो भगवान की मर्जी होती है वही होता है. So where is the question of a mission? And who am I to do a mission, you know? If you talk about vision, yes, my vision was this, that everybody should be walking on this path and people should get aware of Ma. That was my vision, you know, कि जितने लोग ज़्यादा आए उतना अच्छा है. So if it has helped even a couple of people, I will be happy, you know. For example, I started this Sattvic Food and More, my channel. Now there are some people who have written to me that after seeing all your recipes, we have stopped onion garlic. We have quit, and we are also following Sattvic food, which is so wonderful, you know. If just by a little thing like this from my side, if people do turn around, you know, then that is the most beautiful thing that can happen. And it is happening. So I'm very happy about that. So vision तो यही था कि जितने लोग माँ के पास आए उतना अच्छा है. So that is why the book also happened, not because I had planned anything, you know. Aspirations अगर आप बोलते हैं, what are my aspirations? Nothing. I've quit everything. So where is the question of aspiration for something, you know? जो माँ कराए वही ठीक है मेरे लिए, you know. माँ बोले नहीं तो नहीं, माँ बोले हाँ तो हाँ. It's like that. So you know, सन्यासीज जो basically होते हैं ना, वो हमेशा शून्य में रहते हैं. माँ has said, सन्यासी का निवास जो है वो शून्य में है. शून्य means nothing. We are not bothered about anything. ये करो वो करो. Duty wise, yes, because I have a body, I'm doing everything possible. Okay, everything in my capacity. बहुत कुछ किया, बहुत कुछ कर रही हूँ. पर उसके आगे मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं है कि मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है. कुछ भी नहीं करना है. सिर्फ मैं माँ की बातें करती हूँ, and I'm quite happy. It's a satsang that is going on, which I will continue as long as you people want it. When you don't want anything and when everything stops, then it stops, you know. It doesn't matter to me. So aspiration, I have none. Then you're talking about service. What service? Yeah, so as far as service or seva, what you would call, we started a Gaushala also in Kankhal Ma's ashram in Haridwar, and they are absolutely pure desi gai, purebred. So we got some Sahiwal cows from the north, and we got some Gir from Gir Gai from Gujarat. So we were 3 of us doing this project. So we managed to, today I think there are more than 30 cows over there, because bachde bhi to hote hain. So that Gaushala we started, the whole aim was that it should be in the service of Ma. Because Ma ke ashram mein hamesha गाय होती है, गौशालाज होती हैं, So वो गाय का दूध जो मिलता है बच्चों को, we have in Kankhal we have Vidyapeeth, and in Banaras, Varanasi it's Kanyapeeth. So Vidyapeeth के जो बच्चे हैं उनको A2 milk मिलता है, which is such a wonderful thing that everybody is provided with milk over there. So, and it's all free for them, and the Sadikas living there. So that Gaushala is doing well, I believe, because we started the whole thing and gave it to Kankhal Ashram. There is a huge Gaushala where any day you people go to Kankhal, have a look. So that is one seva we thought we'd do for Ma. And the other seva was the book that I wrote. I authored the book In Love with the Divine Mother, Shri Shri Anandamayi. उसके भी बहुत अच्छे comments आ रहे हैं लोगों से कि they did not know so much, and they are getting an insight reading the book, and they are all praising the book, saying that it is the best thing that has happened, and it's the best publication from this publishing house. So that is a wonderful compliment, and people say that when we read, something really happens to them, and they never knew so many things about Ma. Her leelas, basically, the leelas are mentioned in the book. So that was again my service, and again I did not start it as a mission, or I didn't have a vision, nothing. I just started because I remembered all the incidents and everything. I started writing, and then माँ की मर्जी थी तो publisher भी मिल गए और किताब भी छप गई, and people are getting the book, reading, which is so wonderful. So if you're asking me these questions, they're very tall questions. I have no mission, I have no aspirations. It is just happening. जो flow हो रहा है उसी में मैं बह रही हूँ, और कुछ नहीं सोचा है मैंने. विजन यस यही था कि जितने लोग आए वो अच्छा है, माँ के बारे में जाने वो अच्छा है. So that was about it. Nothing further to say, because I don't have any. I'm not thinking of this, that. हमेशा देखा है जब this that सोचा कि ये करे वो करे, ये करे वो करे, वो कभी नहीं हुआ मेरे लिए, because माँ की मर्जी कुछ और थी. So whatever Ma wills, that will happen. Nothing else will happen. We are really puppets on a string. Ma will डुगडुगी बजाएगी और हम लोग नाचेंगे. It's really like that. So I thought I would tell you, since you asked me all these questions. So that is that. I don't have any mission, vision yes, little bit. Aspiration, service, yeah, I have done little bit of service, if you call it service. Other than that, nothing really. जो होता है होने दो, जो हो जाए, जैसे माँ कहती थी हमेशा, जो हो जाए. So जितने लोग और सब्सक्राइब करेंगे ये चैनल को, उतना ही मुझे भी प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा कि let me talk further, But if there are, subscribers are very few right now, but it's okay. जो होगा देखा जाएगा, जो हो जाए. ठीक है. ओके, जय माँ. ओम भवताव प्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्ते ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिन्ने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः. जय माँ. जय माँ. जय माँ.